When I booked this trip to Mexico City, I had this vision. Productive mornings in cute cafes, stumbling upon hidden art, late night with friends, and maybe a date or two. But now that I'm here, I'm realizing I really only have like 4 days. 4. And that just doesn't feel like enough time, like at all. I'm trying to plan out all the things that need to get done while I'm here in Mexico City, all like the things I want to go see and do, and like meeting up with friends, and like getting work done, and different collaborations I currently have going on, and like also just trying to date some people while I'm here too. And like, I'm feeling so exhausted and so overwhelmed with like all of the options, like so many options. Oh, decision fatigue is a real thing. Sometimes all it takes is putting on fresh clothes and getting outside and like just changing up your scenery. And that can definitely do wonders for the mental health and like not let you be so in your mind. So I found a cafe, I'm gonna go there. It's supposed to be like really cute and really cool and like kind of behind a parking garage area, I guess. But then like it's all greenery and it's a nice quiet little escape from all of it. The cafe was really good. The matcha was delicious, which I'm kind of a snob when it comes to matcha, probably because Japan ruined me on that. But the highlight of today was after the cafe, I went and got some birria tacos. This was hands down the best quesadilla I've ever had in my entire life. So let's talk about Mexico City for a second because it's massive, like 21 million people massive. But don't let that stress you out because most tourists just kind of stick to like 3 main or 4 main areas. I am currently staying in Roma Sur, which it's a bit more residential, but it's still beautiful. Like it's just greenery everywhere and like has a really nice charm to it. Cute cafes, very walkable. And then you have Roma Norte, which is known for its like cute cafes, very trendy vibe, and some art galleries. You also have Condesa and Polonca. I think that's how you pronounce it. Polonca is definitely more like upscale-y, where Condesa kind of has more bohemian vibe to it. In terms of safety, I felt really safe walking around yesterday in my neighborhood. These main tourist areas, everyone says you're pretty safe in them, but like any big city, you kind of just have to be aware of your surroundings. You know, don't be flashing your phone around, don't be flashing money around, like keep your bag zipped up, and then at night take Ubers. They're cheaper than taxis and they're super reliable. So I was gonna get an Uber to Chapultepec Park, which is where I'm gonna go hang out today, but Ubers were super expensive and traffic was crazy busy. So instead I'm gonna walk the hour there because the neighborhood's beautiful. I'm gonna walk through Roma Norte and it should be great. If you're new here, hi, I'm Maddie. Just an American woman traveling solo, embracing the real highs and lows of this journey. If you're into honest experiences and real adventure, hit subscribe and join me on this ride. Some fun facts about the castle is it is the only royal castle in all of North America, and it was home to Emperor Maximilian I and Empress Carlota during Mexico's short-lived monarchy in the 1860s. But what I find most interesting is this hill actually used to be an ancient Aztec sacred site, and then they just came in and built their castle on here. So you know, that checks out with the way history works. Cool, cool, cool. And so now it is home though to the National History Museum here, which it is cool. It is beautiful. It's stunning up here. And this park is just massive. I also weirdly love this floor. So remember how I said that this hill was a sacred site for the Aztecs? Well, it gets its name, Chapultepec, from the ancient Aztec word, which is hill of the grasshopper, and grasshoppers represented like resilience, and so that is part of like the sacredness. So you'll see a bunch of different grasshopper things all around. Chapultepec Park is the largest like city park in all of Latin America. It's also, I think, double the size of Central Park, which is insane. This place is massive. Like a highway divides it in half. There's lakes, there's a castle, a ton of different like walking and running trails, and you can rent bikes and bike around. There's some like train thing coming towards me right now. So yeah, there's a train. Bunch of different activities that you can do here. I'm really liking Mexico City. Kind of want to live here. Next up is the Anthropology Museum, which I have heard you can spend an entire day, like hours here. And my feet are already hurting, so let's see how this goes. It's really cool having to travel to different regions in Mexico and learning about their customs and their fiestas and their rituals, and then coming here at the museum and seeing so many different of them and being able to place them. You'll maybe remember this man from Oaxaca. He's used during weddings. Holy shit, that museum was a lot. Everything about the history of Mexico is in there. Everything. My feet hurt so bad and I'm starving. So I'm gonna go get some tacos. Oh my goodness, that was exhausting. But I feel like I saw so much and did so much. But my feet and back hurt so bad. I swear if I'm out walking around for that long, I just have to come home, lay on the ground, and elevate my feet. So I'll be here for the next 10 minutes. I was in Mexico City about 4 years ago. I did a food tour, a walking tour, a lucha libre, and kind of like all of the super touristy things. This time around, I kind of just wanted to like live life, just wander streets and check out different neighborhoods, go to cafes, go on some dates, and still do some touristy things though. So if you're interested in seeing a bit more about Mexico City, I do have some 4-year-old YouTube videos on it. Not the best, but you know, if you want to check them out, go check them out down in the description. But tomorrow morning, bright and early, I'm going and doing a hot air balloon ride over the Teotihuacán Pyramids. I'm so excited. But before then, I have to go get a tattoo and then probably go out partying with some friends tonight. I never said I made great decisions. It's 4 a.m. Go time, baby! This is my friend Rebecca. You probably remember her from Puerto Escondido videos. There's the basket! It's so peaceful. I didn't like realize it was gonna be like just like a floating. Yeah. No one knows who built Teotihuacan. It was already abandoned when the Aztecs found it, but they do know that it was one of the most powerful cities in Mesoamerica. It's also one of the largest cities in the Americas, with almost 100,000 people. And during a time when people are mostly nomadic, that is a massive city. The city was highly advanced. It had multi-story apartment complexes, a grid layout, and was a center for trade, art, and religion. It is home to 2 massive pyramids. The Pyramid of the Sun is one of the largest in the world, and the Pyramid of the Moon sits at the end of the Avenue of the Dead.
It's a tree. Oh, is that tree?
Look at this back here behind me. Oh, that was truly the most amazing experience ever. And it's only like probably like 6:30 a.m. I'm so grateful for this life and everything. And thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate you subscribing, liking the video, watching it. And so I will see you in the next one.